Hello friends, Speedvlog, Mike Bailey here. It is Tuesday, October 28th, maybe, and we're flying to McAllen, Texas, to head to Edinburg, Texas, which is not pronounced Edinburgh, because that's Scotland.
Did you ask about
this?
It's
written the same, but it's pronounced differently. This is what I was told. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, as you know, Veda, after you said Boise instead of Boise in your last vlog, the comments will promptly correct me if I mispronounce the name of a city.
I don't think I'd ever heard the city of Boise. Someone in the comments said that they live in Boise, and it's not Boise, it's Boise. And I don't know that I've ever heard it said in that way, because I must have been hearing it said wrong over and over. So just let me know, or don't. I don't know. Seems like a lot of effort.
Yep. An extra spooky edition of Dynamite tomorrow. Dynamite Fright Night. So let's see what happens. Veda, I hope I come back free of ghosts, spirits, curses, maledictions, and hauntings.
I don't mind an extra ghost or two, honestly, around the house.
As long as they're chill, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're cool with ghosts as long as they're chill and they don't do stuff like turn on the TV at night, which is what ghosts do apparently.
Honestly, that would be like, I am way too neurodivergent to have a thing making noises around me.
Can have noises.
I can already hear the electricity buzzing.
Oh boy. What if we had a ghost and all it did was play Instagram reels with full volume?
Oh my god.
Oh,
scary.
Spooky. Good morning, friends. We're in Edinburg, Texas. It's Dynamite Fright Night, and we've got some spooky things happening here. We've got a scarecrow getting his eye holes dug out. That's some horror movie shit right here. What's the issue?
Well, I have a personal issue with him, but no, I gotta get his eyeballs in there, and he doesn't have enough room.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Classic eyeball problem.
So what's the eyeball? What do we got?
We got a little submersible light. It's painted. Let's see if this will fit. Just gonna jam it in there, you know?
There we go. He's gonna look a bit like that Guinness World Record person who can pop his eyeballs out. The second most famous Guinness World Records after fattest motorcycle twins for some reason. Yeah, there we go. This is great. Look at him.
I don't know. I know we can't get an opinion from the vlog now, but I feel like no eyeball was better.
No. I'm definitely
Team eyeball.
Team eyeball, yeah.
All right, we'll go with it.
All right, let's get this guy some eyeballs. So I like every time we have new crew members and new production members, I just want to introduce myself. So hello, this is my first time seeing you around.
Speedball, I'm Tony Schiavone.
You're Tony Schiavone.
Tony Schiavone, you prepared for your match tonight? It should be a great night in the history of our sport.
Oh wow, we're getting an interview from Tony Schiavone live on the vlog.
Damn right we are.
You sound different.
Yeah, it's I can't do his accent.
At all, turns out.
No, not remotely, no. It's half JR, half just idiot, I guess.
It's pretty...
I got to work on it, but the gate, I've got the gate down. You want to see the gate? This is This is this.
Oh wow. Excellent. So the one thing that you don't have correct is Tony Schiavone, and I think that's going to be a giveaway for tonight, so you better watch out. But he always has excellent sneakers.
Oh yeah, these are the shits.
Yes, I don't know. I know someone who has a pair of Travis Scotts for sale.
Oh, really?
Maybe we could check in with him.
Okay.
But I don't know. Anyways, I think you're doing a great job.
Hook me up. Thank you.
Okay, let's go ask. Dude, I gotta fill some time. All right.
Hey,
Kevin.
we here, man. We are here for another opportunity.
Yes.
Another opportunity.
Fright Night, fighting for the gold.
Yes, sir.
We got the money, now we gotta get that honey.
Woo!
By honey, I mean the AW Tag Team Championships.
Yes, and that's right in our sights. So listen, we're going to get some legendary teams tonight. We got Jurassic Express, I almost called them Lucha Express. We have FTR, and we have the Young Broke Bucks. And we got the new up-and-comers, us. So this is our time to solidify our spot here in the tag team division.
Yeah.
And turn that cash into gold.
We're young, but we're tough. We're gonna make it rough. It's a big four-way.
Yes, sir.
You know, FTR, they've been calling themselves the greatest tag team of all time, but they've needed to cheat in every single match. And when they don't, like last week. Even though they tried, they still threw baby powder in your face. At least I hope it was baby powder.
Listen, I don't know how you got through the TSA, but the result is going to be the same as last week as tonight. Little Stokely, we're going to be looking out for you. We're looking out for you. We're not falling from little tricks. But we need our chance at gold.
We need it. Brodito, we're coming.
Yes, sir.
Coming for Brodito. All right, let's get ready.
We appreciate the good vibes.
This is how I feel.
No.
Willow.
Like you've been left out in the field to scare the little crows away.
Feel like I've been left out standing in a field, and I'm not outstanding in my field, which is currently the tag team division in AEW, where Jet Speed have suffered yet another loss at the hands of Frederick Terrence Raphael, aka FTR.
Those fart turd rats.
So that means they're getting a title shot at Full Gear against Brodito, and we're getting jack shit.
Well,
Jack shit, most definitely. I don't really know how to feel. We try to turn the cash into gold. Luckily, we still got a little bit of cash left. We didn't go too crazy at Magic City. But next time we get this chance, we won't let it fall short. Willow, we really appreciate you trying to lift our spirits up.
well, yeah, we can't win them all. That's life,
That's true.
right? Not
That's-
every
that's
day
pro
is
wrestling.
going to be the best day of your life.
No one has a perfect record in AEW. I think the person that's closest to having a perfect record is John Cruz, and it's all losses.
Yeah. So take that. Do with that what you will. Go back to the hotel, get a little shut-eye, sleep, shake it off,
Shake it off.
wake up,
Shake it off.
travel
Kevin,
back
shake
home
it off.
safely.
I'll do what I can. I'm still a little bruised up.
That's fair. That's fair. Okay.
Did you get
Well
your
then-
machine shattered pretty hard?
Sorry, I actually just went to go dust your
Yeah,
chest up and be like,
I took
but
a
you could
super-
literally have like, you could see
got some
handprints
pretty,
on
yeah.
your chest.
Everything. And oh my God.
You know, this is exactly who you need to lift your spirits.
Right.
Yes, I will lift them with my strength
Please. We need.
and face. I'm interrupting, but I couldn't resist.
We lost our shot at the tag team titles for now, but you guys still have yours.
We do. We're actually pumped.
Yeah, we got a Mercedes and a Tina in the first round.
It's a tough challenge, but we are worthy and we are ready.
We're up for it.
The babes of wrath.
Yeah. How do you feel about that, Speedy?
Honestly, I feel pretty good. I feel like I did something.
Every
Yes.
time I call you Speedy, I'm like trying to make Speedball shorter, but our
Yeah.
photographer's name is
Why don't you
Speedy,
just call
and I'm
him?
like,
Same,
why
yeah.
do I do that?
Say it really fast.
Whatever.
Call him.
People call me Speebo.
Yeah.
I think Speebo works.
Yes.
Yeah, it's already a nickname. Why am I trying to make
Somebody
it more of a
here
nickname?
calls me Cue Ball. Actually, do you know that?
Ball is crazy.
Yeah, I know.
When we have so many bald people on
I
our
know.
roster.
Because apparently I glide across the ring like a cue ball. Or maybe that's what I've decided anyway. I don't know why
I was
on it.
like, where did this come from?
Do you know what? It's probably because of my smooth belly.
Everything.
Can I,
I'm loving it.
if I lower the camera and show it on
Yeah.
the stream,
Go.
Facebook is gonna go nuts.
My smooth belly.
Facebook going crazy right now. Okay, match just ended, and Christopher Daniels, I wanted to make sure to get you on the vlog because
thanks,
I want to tell you that all the coaching that you do at AEW is not appreciated nearly enough.
Oh, thank you, man. I
And
appreciate that.
aside from that, I have a very small favor to ask. Well, it's, more of a trade than a favor, but
Okay.
would you be willing to sell me those Travis Scotts? I know they're worth a lot of money. Travis
Wow.
Scott is very famous. Everyone
He
knows
is.
who he is.
I just found out who he is, but everyone else knows who he was.
Everyone else
yes.
already knew who he
Correct,
is.
yes. he
But last
was
week,
very famous to everyone else.
I
yes.
won $100,000, and I wanted to know if you would sell me the shoes for $100,000.
Wow. Wow, Mike, that's... Listen, man, I got to be honest with you. I would love $100,000, but you worked really hard to get that $100,000, and
I
I don't
did,
want to. I don't want to take that money away from you. And honestly, these shoes, I think they're meant for a special someone, a true friend. Not that you're not a friend, but They belong to
friends.
someone else, and I can't give them away. Not for $100,000, not for $1 million. I'm sorry, but listen, I want you to enjoy that $100,000. And if I ever see another pair of Travis Scotts, I'm
There are
going to
more
make
out
sure.
there, yeah.
Yes, I'm going to make sure that I put aside a pair for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Thanks, buddy.
Okay. Yep. Wait, what about $2 million?
One more time.
And we're back. Last week I came back a rich man, but this week I come back
Don't eat your hair on camera.
a
What's
loser.
wrong
Don't
with
eat your,
you?
don't eat your
What's wrong
hair.
with
Going
you?
We can afford food. I have $100,000 that we didn't spend because Christopher Daniels refused to sell me his shoes.
But if you are having issues because SNAP benefits are being cut in the United States, which is deplorable, let's talk about some resources. We'll talk about that online. But there's resources out there, hopefully. But yeah, it fucking sucks. Did I just derail the whole ending of your vlog?
No, this is more important.
No,
Donate
it really
to a food
is.
bank.
It really is. Donate. Help however you can. This is why we need, community resources, and it fucking sucks, and it's disgusting, and allowing anyone to starve, whether or not they're working, whether or not they are disabled, when they are children, regardless, no one should starve in the United States of America. So even if you are, you could be completely unwilling to work, you can be, for whatever reason, you should be able to eat. Sorry, guys, that's the truth, and it's fucking disgusting. Anyway.
And speaking of being able to eat, thank you all so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell us whether or not you support Snap in the comments.
We're making tens of dollars.
Tens
per
of dollars
day off of our YouTube channels right now.
Tens of dollars every day. No, that's not. Are tens of dollars every day? That would mean $70 a week.
No, so we're making
we're
less
not.
than that.
We're not there.
But anyway, this is why community funding and mutual aid is important. So, it's 2025 in the United States. People
That's
should
true.
not be
Yep,
starving.
a lot of causes to which you should donate. However, I will spend my $100K on shoes. Thank you all so much for watching.